Hey everybody, Free Time Flips over here, and we got Maddox. Welcome to our channel, Free Time Gaming. Today, we're gonna show you guys what's inside the box of the Pokeball Plus, and we also got the Pokeball Charger. So we're just gonna check it out what's inside. We can't wait to play with these, but we wanted to unbox it for you guys, and then we'll use them. Alright, so first, Maddox, you take care of that one. I will take care of this one. Okay. So Maddox, I should have taken out the tape already. Oh, the tape's still there?
Oh, I know what to do.
Chocolate box. Oh, there it is. Okay.
Oh.
Alright, let's see what's inside the box.
So I think these are instructions.
We got instructions there. Alright, a nice bubble wrap. Pop, pop, pop.
The controller's smaller than I thought it would be.
Whoa, it looks pretty cool. Look at that, and it feels really, it's
Rubbery?
kind of rubbery.
This is
It
really
feels
small.
pretty good. And you got a strap for you because I believe you're going to be throwing these. There you go, and you got one button right here, so that's the top. So you got the control stick over here, and you got a button up here. And now that's going to light up. Okay, now that, oh, and then it comes with the charger too. This is a charger cable, just like I believe how the Pro controller hooks up to the
Oh,
Switch.
about these. Oh.
Oh, fell off. Okay, so this is a charging cable. Comes with a charging cable. Okay, so this, I think it's in the back. Oh, there it is. You open it in the back, and then that's where you insert it. And then you just charge it to a regular USB. Okay, so that's the Pokeball Plus. Can't wait to use it. And then, now, we're gonna open the charger. Really cool charging stand. This was $20. Bought it all at GameStop. Had a few credits to trade for it, so I might as well get it because I know we've been playing Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu for a while anyways. Actually, we got eevee. We got the package, so we got the Pokeball Plus with the game. I think that's the best way to get it if you plan to get it anyways. And if you're planning to complete your Pokédex, because it's the only way so far that you can get Mew is to buy the Pokeball Plus.
So I can get it right now?
You know what? We have to look that up. I'm not sure. I'm thinking when you're able to, maybe later on the game we can get Mew.
What about Metane?
That's a different generation. It's not gonna be on Kanto. All right, here is the charger.
Well, I thought it would be like this.
There you go.
That
is kind of cool. So let's take this out.
Is it?
Yeah, so the Pokeball Plus is gonna sit there.
How do I put this on?
And it has this little base in here. And I think we just make it sit. Okay, how does that go? Let's figure it out. Oh, right there. So it sits right here and it slides because the metal things has to connect to the metal things over there. So like that. And then once you don't hear a snap, but you know, but it feels like you can press on it. But but the moment you put your Pokeball on it, I'm sure it's gonna get pressed down. It's gonna touch the metal. It's gonna charge. So right here, you got the Pokeball Plus. Open up in the back. Actually, it's easier if you take this, insert it on the Pokeball Plus controller, and then let it sit on.
Sure you did
on
right.
the charger. I think I did it right. See, there you go. See? You got the Pokeball. Right now it lit up, so I think.
Is that like a
because I
sign?
just touched it. Okay, let me see. Let's see really quick. Let's see if we can put it on the charging dock. Because this is going to be I'll just attach it to a USB port. I think it's charging. Oh, no, it's charging. I thought it was supposed to make a sound when you charge it.
So it just looks like that.
Let's try something. Okay, let's see first if we charge it normally without the dock. Let's see what happens. Yeah, I don't know if you guys heard it. So if it's charging, you guys will hear the Pokemon Center theme. Okay, so that one works. Now let's see how to charge it with the Pokemon Charger Plus, the stand. Take it off again. This is the cable that came with the Pokeball Plus. Okay, let's insert it again. Make sure it's in properly. There we go, nice and snug. And then we're just put it right here on the Pokeball Plus. Let's see if it charges. There it is.
Thank you guys.
Alright. You just have to make sure that it slides in there and it fits properly. There's actually little prongs in there to make sure it's a tight fit. Let's see those little things on the side. So, and then there's the Pokemon, and there's the little attachment in there. So just make sure it fits in there, and then you'll feel a vibration, and then you'll hear the sound. All right, now the Pokeball Plus is charging. All right, guys. So that's a Pokeball Plus for you and the charger. So we're gonna charge it for a little bit, and then can't wait to play with it. All right, you guys. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos later on, okay? Alright, Maddox, what do you say?
Bye.